Today I'm going to show you the basic elements and tools found in the Calamity game. First, we have the play button. The play button starts the action. So here you can see the ragdoll hits the ground after a certain amount of time given its height. So if we zoom out, you can see what is going on. The ragdoll starts at a certain height, and then once the play button is clicked, it hits the ground. Now let's take a look at the tools. The first tool you'll see on the left is the arrow tool. It allows for moving elements and anchoring nodes. Now I'm going to move the ragdoll and anchor its left hand. So when we click the play button, the ragdoll with its anchored hand will be suspended by the anchored node. Now let's remove the anchor and try adding some elements. Let's use the pencil tool to create a platform for the ragdoll. Now when we hit the play button, we see the ragdoll lands on the platform but slides off. So let's add a little lip to catch the ragdoll. Now when we click play, we see the ragdoll stays in place. Let's add some more elements to make this a little bit more dynamic. But before I do that, I want to explain a hidden feature. If you hold down the space bar anywhere on the canvas, you will see the icon changes from 5 dots to the hand. By clicking and dragging while holding down the space bar, we can move about the canvas. Now we'll use the hand to go above the ragdoll and create an object to interact with the ragdoll. So let's zoom out a bit and position the ragdoll at the bottom of the canvas. Now using the link tool, let's create an acute triangle. We'll click play and see what happens. What if we were to anchor the closest node? Remember, only the arrow tool can anchor a node. So with this node anchored, we have an inverted pendulum. Now let's see what happens. By adding a force to the end of the pendulum, we can add a little bit more momentum to the pendulum, which in turn has a greater effect on the ragdoll. Now, let's add a spring to the ragdoll and anchor the free end. As you can see, you can combine the tools to create an infinite combination of Calamity scenes.